How can you spell sing? Sing ច្រៀង I spell S I N G. How can you spell sleep? Sleep គេ I can spell S A W E P. How can you spell listen? Listen ស្ដាប់ I can spell L I S T E N. How can you spell draw? Draw គូ I can spell D R A W. How can you spell ride? Ride. So say I can spell W R I T E. How can you spell speak? Speak និយាយ I can spell S S P E A K. How can you spell learn? Learn រៀន I can spell L E A R N. How can you spell wash? Wash លៀង I can spell W A S H. How can you spell swim? Swim ให้ I can spell A W I N. How can you spell jump? Jump លួត I can spell J U M P. How can you spell clean? Clean សម្អាត I can spell C L E A N. How can you spell brush? Brush ដល់ I can spell B R U S A. How can you spell comb? Comb សិត I can spell C O M B. How can you spell dry? Dry បើកប I can spell D R I V E. How can you spell drink? Drink ផឹក I can spell D R I N K.